What's up, guys? What's up? I feel so strange with these things on. I just got them, but they're amazing. If you don't have these little ear pods, I'm not big on spending a lot of money on headphones or anything, but man, these are dope. All right, these are sick. Every time you put them on, and they make a little noise, so you know it's amazing. Anyway, so I feel like I have earrings. Anyway, so we're on our way to an appointment. Okay, this lead came in through. Is this on? Yeah. Very cool. I'm not recording here. So this lead came in through a direct mail. This is a direct mail lead. Now I'm on a challenge, right? Me, myself, Raul Bolufe. So I own this company, right? Whatever that means. And I've been doing it for a couple years, whatever. I've done appointments, a ton of them. But obviously as a business owner, you try to, you know, do more things instead of being in the business so much. But we've had inconsistent months and inconsistent weeks on these off-market stuff. So when I was talking to my mentor, he said, hey, the best way is you gotta go on every single appointment for a whole month. Like, man, you think that's the highest and best use of my time? Like, don't tell me that stuff. He said, yep, do it. So here I am, and I'm gonna document the journey. So we're going into the house, and that's us checking it out, and you can see I'm there building some rapport with Anna. It's really important that once you're in here, just take some pictures. Our goal, our objective here is to check out the house, see the repairs that are needed, see the layout. You can see this house is outdated. It's a beautiful home, huge house on a corner lot in an awesome area. See the kitchen has nice tops. However, the kitchens in that area you can see are really different and modern, but that's the garage. Our goal is to see the roof, see the floors, kitchen, bathrooms, all the things that need repairs to help us. Also, you could see this is the bedrooms, the big house. So you always got to check out the layout, the flow of the house, bedrooms, bathrooms, how many. A lot of times it's different than public records. Our goal is to get all the repairs here, ask all the questions we need. You can see the wall unit there. Ask all the questions we need in order to make a good repair estimate. We put it on our sheet in order to help us negotiate best and understand what we're buying, what we're selling.
Yes. Have a seat. I'll sit over there.
Yes. Do you know where you're going to go, by the way, which is a very important aspect of this, if you sold?
I had my hopes to go to North Carolina, but my daughter waited so long for me to make a move that she had to rent the house next door that she owns with her husband. So I have no way to go there for now. But I can't leave anyway because I have to kind of empty everything already. I've already done a lot of it, yeah.
You know,
and nobody to help me.
I should mention, there's no expenses that you're really liable for. We will cover all the standard seller expenses. Anything that's outside of that box, obviously if there was a violation or a lien, those would get paid off on the closing. If you would have owed any taxes, those would get paid off. So basically, we cover almost everything for you. You're up to date.
Yeah, I'm up to date.
Okay, so you probably get a little bit of a refund, a credit back off your HUD statement on closing.
I don't know if it was realistic.
Yeah.
Because this realtor came by and I showed him the house and he said, well, he liked it very much and all that, but he said I would list it for $1,001.50, something like that, he said. I don't know if that's realistic or not. I have no idea. So that's what I know.
We want a price predicated for that to make sense for us.
Doesn't sound too good to me. And so she was extremely poor and uneducated. Her brothers were married and she was single because she was young. She was like 18 or 19. And she read something in the paper, I guess, and said that she was going to go to Belgium because they have jobs there and she had no jobs. And all the other sisters had to support her, didn't they? They didn't like it. An SS man came to the door and told us And I was there, I was only 6, and I hung out to my father's pants.
Oh my God.
And he said, 1 hour, 1 bag.
Oof.
And so we went on the caravan. It was trucks of these German soldiers with machine guns. And so at night, you know, people started, they were hungry, they had to go to the bathroom. So my father and I and my mother, we got off the trucks and we spread into the woods because they parked in front of the woods. And so we crawled through this, through the bushes, cash in the bank. But I do have the duplex. I have a duplex
Where is that?
on 28